So here in this video, we are going to DIY a mirror that I have. So this is a designer dupe, designer mirror. Wait, hello there. Welcome to Brandi Films. I'm like really excited for this video. Like, I feel like I say that every video. It's just like because like I love like doing my videos. Like it's just like so fun. And like yeah, it's just like so fun. Anyways, so my name is Brandi. If you don't know already, and like yeah, like if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, like welcome back. This is a DIY where we are taking a old mirror that I just had sitting around, and we are gonna turn it into something like super beautiful. Now, don't get me wrong, okay? The mirror like in its current state is pretty beautiful, but like I don't really like it. So that's the reason why like we're gonna like redo it and like make it like beautiful like according to Brandi, like beautiful according to me. So I think that's enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and transform this mirror. Okay, so far this is turning out exactly how I have envisioned, and I'm really happy about that because this is a complete experiment for me. I'm so happy. So it's actually so beautiful like right now, like, but we are still gonna proceed with what I wanted to originally do. So I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm basically done like just dressing it or sanding it. I don't really know what that's like technically called. I still need to do like the top part, but I'll do that like really fast. But basically I wanted to briefly explain a couple of like techniques that I did. I'm not a professional, which I'm sure you can tell, but a couple of techniques that I like picked up along my way as I was doing it. Obviously I'm using like a power sander, right? So this has like a lot of power behind it. You could definitely use like a more lighter sander, like lighter sandpaper that's not as rough to like, you know, distress your mirror. But I had already gotten out my power sander, so I'm like, okay, we're just like gonna use this, right? So what I was kind of doing was like along the like where the detail is at the bottom of the mirror, taking my sander and like flipping it to just have like the edge of the sander lightly touch like the corners and the edges of the detail on the mirror. And I was like spotting that, like spot doing it to like make it look even on both sides. So that's one thing that I was doing when I was doing this. I guess that's like the only thing I was doing. I don't know, like if you decide to do this, I would say like you just have to have like an eye for like what looks good, or like know like the kind of look you're going for. Just like know the kind of thing I like. So therefore I knew like how much to keep sanding. Okay, so I have finished distressing, sanding, whatever you want to call it, to the mirror as you've seen. And now I'm going to go ahead and start painting it. So we are going to be using this chalk paint here. This is by the brand Bulk Art. It's just home decor chalk paint. I got it at Michael's. And this is in the shade 50674 Rich Black Noir Intense. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. Let's shake it up first here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my gloves here. I have super heavy duty black, like chemical resistant, and I think these are chemical resistant, but some super just like aesthetically pleasing black gloves to go along with my style, but I can't find them. So we have to put on these ugly blue gloves, and that is okay. Okay. So I'm gonna paint it completely, and then we'll do some stuff later to like, you know, like distress it more, and then we'll be putting like a finish on it and everything like that to get it to its final state. But to start, I'm gonna completely paint it black. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one, God willing.